Hello, everyone. Welcome to my new video about Python variables. In this video, we're going to learn what Python variables are, how they work, and how to use them properly in your programs. A variable in Python is just like a container or a box that stores some kind of value. The value could be text, a number, a decimal, or even a true/false value. For example, we have two variables, name and age. This means we've stored two values in two separate containers. Each container has a unique name. And we can use these values anywhere in our program. We can use the print function to display the value of variables. Just place the variable name inside the print function. This will print the value stored in the variable name. We have stored the value David in our variable, so it will display the value David in output. We can also use variables to perform calculations. We are adding two numbers stored in variables a and b, and saving the result in another variable with the name of c. All three values are stored in separate boxes and can be used later in the program. You can change the value of a variable any time in your program. For example, we have a variable, a holds the value 10. When we print the value of a using print function, it will show the value 10. But after updating the value from 10 to 50, it automatically changes to 50. So whenever you use this variable again, it will show the new value. Let's discuss some other points about the variables. Python variables are case-sensitive. For example, we have two variables, name with small n and name with a capital N. Both variables are completely different. If you print name starting with small n, it will show David, and if you print name starting with capital N, it will show Harry. To avoid confusion, it's a good practice to always use lowercase letters for your variable names. One powerful feature of Python is that you don't need to declare the data type of a variable. Python automatically detects the data type based on the value you store. Python automatically knows that name is a string, and age is an integer. However, if you try to mix them incorrectly like this, you'll get a type error because you can't add text and numbers together. In Python, you can even store different types of values in the same variable. For example, we have a variable with the name of value. We have stored a string value in it. If we change the value to number, Python automatically updates the data type from string to integer because it's smart enough to detect the type of data stored in the variable. Let's discuss about the variable naming rules. A variable name can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. It cannot start with a number. Always use string value in beginning on variable name. Spaces are not allowed. You can use underscore instead of. You can start with an underscore, and that's perfectly fine. You can assign the same value to the multiple variables like this. Just place a comma between the variable names. You can also assign different values to multiple variables in a single line. Python matches the values to the variable names in the same order. That's all for today's lesson on Python variables. In the next video, we'll explore Python functions in detail and learn how to use them effectively in your code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Python tutorials.